So hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Yel Edward Tiapier, fourth year civil engineering student, study at University of Mindanao. So we will discuss all about the civil engineering laws, ethics, and specifications. But my only topic for today is the one of the fundamental canons for the civil engineering code of ethics. So my topic is all about the civil engineers shall not falsify or permit misrepresentation of their academic or professional qualifications or experience. So as a civil engineer, dapat di pinahintulutan yung mga maling impormasyon. Dapat di tayo nagsisinungaling or di dapat natin na nami-misrepresent ang mga ating ginagawa. Dapat alam din natin kung ano din ang tama at saka mali. Then engineers uphold and advance the integrity, honor, and dignity of the engineering process by using the knowledge, skills for the enhancement of human welfare and the environment. Being honest and impartial and serving with fidelity the public, their employers, and clients, and supporting the professional and technical societies of their disciplines. Engineers shall not falsify or permit misrepresentation of their or their associates' academic or professional qualifications. They shall not misrepresent or exaggerate their degree of responsibility in or for the subject matter of prior assignments. So, like I said earlier, dapat hindi natin mini-mislead yung mga ginagawa natin. O di dapat natin pinahintulutan yung mga maling impormasyon. So, here's some guidelines that we know when our code is relevant, violated, and not violated. Code is relevant when engineer represents his own professional qualifications. Code is violated naman when engineer falsifies his professional qualifications or engineer misrepresents his professional qualifications. Code is not violated when engineer does not falsify his professional qualifications and engineer does not misrepresent his professional qualifications. Another is code is relevant when engineer represents his own academic qualifications. Code is violated when engineer falsifies his academic qualifications or engineer misrepresents his academic qualifications. Code is not violated when engineer does not falsify his academic qualifications and engineer does not misrepresent his academic qualifications. So, as we see, our code is violated when we falsifies or misrepresents or misrepresents our own qualifications, diba? Then our code is not violated naman when we did not falsify or not misrepresent our own professional or academic qualifications. Another is code is relevant when engineer represents an associate's professional qualifications. Code is violated when engineer falsifies an associate's professional qualifications or engineer misrepresents an associate's professional qualifications. Code is not violated when engineer does not falsify an associate's professional qualifications and engineer does not misrepresent an associate's professional qualifications. So, this is all about naman sa associates professional qualifications, but they are all the same, that our code is violated when we falsifies our qualifications or our associates qualifications, and our code is not violated naman when we did not falsify or misrepresent our associates qualifications or our own qualifications. So last is code is relevant when engineer represents an associate's academic qualifications. Code is violated when engineer falsifies an associate's academic qualifications or engineer misrepresents an associate's academic qualifications. code is not violated when engineer does not falsify an associate's academic qualifications and engineer does not misrepresent an associate's academic qualifications. So next, so our fundamental canon, it is under in the professional obligation or in the canon 5 that says engineers shall build their professional reputation on the merit and integrity of their services. So we have here some examples of permissible advertising that we should follow. Professional cards in recognized, dignified publications and listings and rosters or directories published by responsible organizations, provided that the cards or listings are consistent in size and content and are in a section of the publication regularly devoted to such professional cards. Next, brochures which factually describe experience, facilities, personnel, and capacity to render service, providing they are not misleading with respect to the engineer's participation in projects described. Display advertising in recognized and dignified business and professional publications, providing it is factual and is not misleading with respect to the engineer's extent of participation in project described. So sa pangatlo, dapat mag-display tayo some advertisement para malaman nila, para ma-recognize nila for some business. Pero dapat ang advertise natin or bibigyan natin some information is hindi siya puro sinungalingan lang or hindi siya mislead para sa some engineers respect. Another is a statement of the engineer's names of the name of the firm and statement of the type of service posted on projects for which they render services. Preparation or authorization of descriptive articles for the lay or technical press, which are factual and dignified. Such articles shall not imply anything more than direct participation in the project described. Last is permission by engineers for their names to be used in commercial advertisements, such as may be published by contractors, material suppliers only by means of a modest, dignified notation acknowledging the engineer's participation in the project described. So, these are some examples of permissible advertising that we should follow as an engineer. Then that's all. Thank you.